left 5 minutes ago from our second night accommodation. Second ba? First night?
Second.
Ano ba tayo first?
Ramo Hills.
Oo nga. Nice coastal ride. If you love driving, ito talaga yung mga driving ng mga destinations. Ito masyado.
It's raining.
It's raining. So, somebody's jogging. So we're going to yung village. Anong village yun, right?
Ogimi?
Kogimi or
Ogimi.
Ogimi, no? That village is known for having mga residents or Okinawans outliving many human beings. They live up to 100 years now. So we know the secret. Ano yung secret kaya? Guess mo. Their
They
secret.
eat a lot of seafoods.
Grabe, ito ng kuhan. So far yung diet nila is I like diet ng mga Okinawans. Yesterday we had yung
Their diet is like 7-Eleven food. Like us.
7-Eleven nila is even healthy. Diba?
In 400 meters, turn left.
Oh, 400 meters, turn left.
We're going Cape Hedo.
Hedo na? From Nago to Hedo.
Yep.
Okay.
I think we'll sleep sa Oda siguro.
Doon sa
Pala.
Doon sa unahan na talaga siguro.
Later. We go
At the
back,
light,
like we turn around.
left. Signs for Cape Hedo, Ogimi.
Saan tayo?
Left.
Left ito?
Yeah.
Oh, intersection.
We came here kanina kahapon, diba?
Dito ba tayo?
Yeah,
Umikot lang tayo?
Ah.
Ikot lang pala din dito, no? Yung ride ito, going back to Naga to. Right?
We are in Nago. We are already in Nago.
Inaha. No,
Yeah.
ito. Dito left, ito yung going north. Yung car automatic na go off, oh. A siya, A. Grabe naman to.
Okay, I'll
Okay,
turn
okay.
it off.